Hi, I'm Zach, and today we'll be installing the GLOWE Industries interior Bluetooth kit. We'll be putting this in my Honda Civic, and over the next few weeks and months, I'll be adding a couple of other things to this car. We'll make this install really easy by using a cigarette lighter adapter so we don't have to worry about passing wires through firewalls or worrying about fuses, since the cigarette lighter adapter is already on its own 15 amp fuse. Our first step is going to be connecting power and ground to the Bluetooth controller. Next, we will get our wires ready for our strips. This is really easy. Our kit includes solderless connectors. All right, so we've made those connections. Next, we will get our LED strips connected to each other. Now, we're going to install these strips. You'll want to make sure that this is on as smooth of a surface as possible. If you're installing this on a molded plastic surface, you may encounter some difficulties. If you do, use the included clips that will come with your kit. All right, we've got those strips installed in the car. Now let's connect the strips to the controller. All right, we've got the strips connected to the controller, and that's about it. We've got them installed in the car. We've got power running to our controller. Our controller's connected to our strips. Let's turn it on. We'll use the app to control this, and you'll see that there are 180 preset modes, not to mention music modes and the option to create our own custom colors. You can create 16 million different colors with this kit. Let's compare this kit to some of the other LED interior kits that are available. I got the kit in my back seat on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. And when we turn the music modes on, you can see why. The GLOWE Industries kit has precise pixel control, and you can create almost any imaginable pattern, whether it's a strip chasing pattern or one of the matrix patterns. The possibilities are truly limitless with this controller. Now let's compare that with the kit that we have in the backseat of the car. It responds to music, but there's not much control over sensitivity or over color, and there's only one music mode. Furthermore, that one music mode isn't very impressive. It seems to change colors at random, while the GLOWE Industries kit can do this, this, and much more. My favorite pattern has to be the LED stacking. It's super intelligent, neat, and very fun to watch. How much more fun is it to listen to music in the car when you can see your music brought to life? What makes these LEDs different? Well, these LEDs have an IC every 3 pixels. What that means is you have precise control over every pixel in your car. Add some life to your car with GLOWE Industries today. We have an interior and an exterior kit with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi controllers.